Types of cough. Okay, this is fun. I get to imitate types of cough. All right. Histaminic irritated cough in the throat. It's not going deeper. Very irritated, also in the lungs. Irritated. Wild cherry bark for irritation. Remember, it was under herpes too, so hot, irritated condition. So that's why we still have cherry lozenges, cherry cough drops. They don't make it out of wild cherry bark. They probably just make it out of syrup from cherries or artificial flavors or something. Okay, then allergies, allergic to wood smoke, wood stove, or forced air furnace with junk in the air, particulate matter, allergy there, spikenard, which is a good lung remedy too, and irritable in the throat like that. I had to use this. I'm thinking I may need it again, but boy, it saved my life a couple of years ago. Even in California, everywhere, like in Lake County, I was there like, it's like just the air dries out when it gets colder. And I mean, I'm pretty tough. I'm a Minnesotan, but I'd be there in the wintertime and I'd get that dry cough just from things. I mean, California, nice environment, but problem there with drying out of the air in the wintertime all over the whole country. So that's a very valuable remedy. Spikenard. People make spikenard honey. They make it sometimes spikenard angelica honey. So that coats and soothes the right in here. Okay. Well, let's see. We'll do some locational too. Irritation of the trachea and the larynx, that's more calamus root. Calamus, they lose their voice and they feel brain fog. So and the name for it in Indian medicine in India is vaka, voice, to invoke, we would say. And in Chinese medicine, they say it reestablishes the bright yang of consciousness. So it's like, boom, when the mind, head colds where, oh God, I can hardly think, and all saturated mind there, and then the throat's irritated, I can't talk very well. That can be calamus.